because, you know, sometimes you can put on a foundation and it look good right away, girl. And then when it's time to go out, a couple of minutes later, an hour later, it's looking cracky, crusty, and crumbly. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, we're gonna be doing a full face, full coverage type of makeup today. I've already done my eyes, my lashes, and my brows because I just wanna focus on the face. I'm gonna be using some full coverage type products, and majority of it is actually Becca. I haven't really talked about this brand on my channel, so I definitely want to just use these products and let you guys know my thoughts. And if you have oily skin or if you're looking for a full coverage type of foundation, then this is definitely something to check out. So if you're new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, it definitely helps me out. And let's go ahead and jump on in. So usually, you guys, I will have my intro where I already have my face done, but we're gonna do things a little different today. So we're gonna be going in with the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and they look like this. I'm gonna start out by moisturizing my face. I'm gonna go in with this Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. This is the little bottle I was telling you guys about in my last video in regards to my empties. I'm still gonna do a dewy look, although this is gonna be like, almost like a full coverage matte look, because I think this Becca foundation is matte. But we are going to see. Let me see. Oh no, this finish is a natural finish, but it's just a full coverage, so that's good. I'm then gonna go in with my Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and it looks like this. I have it in the shade Sun Glow, and I'm gonna go in with this because I'm not quite sure about these shades with this Becca stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I do like using this because it actually gives you a little bit of a tan. And it smells so good. It's like sweet. It smells so good. So that is that. Those are the moisturizers. For primer, I'm gonna try, this is my first time trying this as well. This is the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer, Perfecting Base, and yeah, it looks like this. So I'm gonna pump this out. Like I said, I've never used this. Let me shake it up. Is this supposed to be liquidy like this? Maybe. I shook it up. It's kind of liquidy. It's a blurring primer though. Yeah, it's a liquid. I never tried this. Let me see if it's, oh gosh. Let me see if it's really blurring anything. I'm not seeing a blur, but this is going to be our primer today. On to the foundation. So again, this is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I have it in the shade Cafe, and I also have it in the shade Bamboo. I should have probably tried these before I did the moisturizer and the primer, but I'm just going to go ahead and swatch two of them on my chin, and I may just end up mixing these because I don't think either one of these are my shade. But there was not a shade in between, so it was like, try these two out and see. Okay, so Bamboo. Bamboo's not looking too bad. And then this is Cafe. I think I've tried Cafe before here on my channel, and I was like, I wasn't feeling it. Yeah, see, Cafe is a little bit lighter. Like, no. I'm gonna try Bamboo today, and if I like how it looks all over, then I will keep that, and yeah. So we're gonna go in with Bamboo. But yeah, I was saying, definitely be careful if you are excited, if your state, your city, or whatever is lifting the rules of going out. I would suggest being careful, being safe, of course, and just take it easy, you know? All right, so I've put on about 2 to 2.5 pumps, full pumps, and I actually like this color better than, sorry, my ears are red, I just pulled them out from under here, but let me actually put this back. Let me put this back under here. So I went in with like 2.5 pumps, and I actually like this color better than that Cafe shade. So we're gonna see how this holds up with everything else we're gonna put on the face. But yes, this is as full as I'm gonna get it. It's pretty full coverage for me. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to bronze and sculpt my face, of course, but it's not looking too shabby. So next we're gonna go in with the concealer. So this is the Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, and I have this in the shade Honey, and it looks like this. Now this, I'm not sure about. Okay, the undertone is not too bad. What I'm thinking about these products, like, already, because this, like I said, this is like a first impression to me, honey. They feel a little, how can I say this? Like, it feels a little, like, I feel like I have a lot of oil on my skin. I'm not sure if it's from the moisturizers. I'm not sure if it's from my moisturizer and my and the primer. But this concealer is not bright enough for me, so I'm gonna grab another one, and I'm gonna let this dry, but I'm gonna grab another one so we can do a little bit of highlighting. Wow, this thing is seriously like full coverage. Like, this really snatched my under eye. I'm really liking it. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighting, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade medium. You guys, I always list my products in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I am listing things down there for you guys to check out, and you can actually like click on the links if there's a link provided to I'm trying to get this to dry down a little bit to purchase the product. So now that we've concealed and all that, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this on down a notch because it's still a little slippery looking. And I'm gonna go in with my Lancôme Long Time No Shine Translucent Setting Powder. I talked about this in my most recent video, which was a challenge. You guys need to let me know if you'd like me to do challenges. But now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. This is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in ipennema Sun. I always miss this name, like mess this name all the way up. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with this. My favorite part, bronzer. Going in with some blush. I don't have a Becca blush, so we're gonna go in with this e.l.f. one. On top of that, I'm gonna go in with this Lancôme Monochromatic Shadow, and it looks like this. This is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. And this is what it looks like. So creamy, so buttery. You can use it as an eyeshadow. It is an eyeshadow, but I just use it as a blush. And for highlight, I'm going in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfection in Prosecco Pop. But first, I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. Coconut Dewy Mist. That is the finished look. I really like how this pink came out. I forget how good these liquid, I can't even talk. I forget how good these liquid lipsticks are by Too Faced. This one's in the shade Queen Bee. I'll list it down below. I did mix it and put it on top of this Maybelline Superstay Matte lipstick in the shade number 80 Ruler. But I really like how this came out. I am actually shocked at this Becca. I actually like it. Like, so far, so good. Like, I don't know. It looks really, really good. Like, this could be something you can wear to an event when it's time to go to those events when stuff open up again. If you want to take pictures, this is looking really, really nice. So I'm not mad at it. But I'll keep you guys posted because, you know, sometimes you can put on a foundation and it look good right away, girl. And then when it's time to go out, a couple of minutes later, an hour later, it's looking cracky, crusty, and crumbly. So we don't want that. So I'll let you guys know the longevity of this. Sorry if you see my wig, it is not all the way glued down. I'm ready to take this off. It's nowhere to go. So I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to film this for you guys. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this product, of these Becca products. I will list them down below in the description box. Let me know if you tried them before and what your thoughts are about these, the foundation, the primer, the bronzer, and highlighter, or yeah, that's what I use of Becca today. So yes, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.